In the business that we're in, we're dealing with humans and real issues, and the barriers today are astronomical. Scott is unique in many ways because he wanted to succeed. In the early days, he questioned whether or not he could.
Scott Calderon, and I'm going to Penn State DuBois. There was a lot of times that I didn't believe in myself. I had a learning disability in high school. Other colleges wouldn't help me.
He was told, you're not college material.
And I really had doubts after they turned me down. If I was good enough for college and if I was ready for college.
Prove them wrong. My motto is believe in yourself because you're the only one that holds yourself back.
Scott's openness allowed all of us to come together as a team, from career link staff to special agencies. You're talking the IU, you're talking OVR, you're talking transitional skills from the high school. I looked for programs or opportunities that would support his disability.
I will be graduating in December of this year with my bachelor's in information science technology.
Without a program like the Career Link, without the youth program, without the out-of-school youth program, I have no idea what it would be like.
The services are great and they're there to be used. They want you to be as successful as you can be.
His big goal is to teach at Penn State, so I hope I'm around to see that day come because I believe he has the potential.
I'm very confident that now where I stand, I'll be able to achieve my goals and working at Penn State DuBois as an IT professor.